Hello, everybody. Hello, this is Richard and Sooty and Sweet from CITV Sooty Show. Be quiet, I'm going to tell everybody something very important. The Little Theatre, as you know, is our favourite theatre. Yeah, in a minute. And they're expanding. The Little Theatre's going to be bigger. Listen, Sweet, this is important. Listen, you see, for £100, you could be a little star. A little star. Yes, if you pay £100, you get your own star and you can put whatever name you want, and that will be part of the building forever. And everyone know that you coughed up and helped towards this fantastic facility in Leicester. Yes? Can you do it? Yes, we're going to do it. You'll see Sooty, Sweet and Sue's name and my own on that very wall. And if you want to donate up to £500, you can have a massive star and really make a statement. So find out more by visiting the Little Theatre's website, which is www.littletheatre.bill.net. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Lady Farnsbarns? Do you say Lady Farnsbarns? Not the Lady Farnsbarns of Farnsbarns Hall?
No, not that one.
Oh, so are you an aristocrat? Sweet, come back, what are you doing? You don't like cats? Oh, no, I didn't say cat. I said she was an aristocrat. That means someone posh like a lord or a lady. Yes, you'd be most welcome to stay here, Lady Farnsbarns, because it's still in our visitors' book. Sweet, could you get to the office? That meeting will be starting any minute now. May I say, what an honour it is to have a person of your stature. Oh, Sooty, this is a Lady Farnsbarns. Yes, you are supposed to be impressed.
My family goes back 300 years.
She doesn't look that old. Look!
I can always go and stay somewhere else.
No. I'm sure you'll find everything to your satisfaction here. Sooty, if you and Scabby could just go and get the camper van unloaded, please. And will her ladyship be requiring a cooked breakfast tomorrow morning?
Just kippers, bacon, eggs, tomatoes, beans, toast, ketchup, and muffins. I'm on a diet.
Well, how do you find this criminal's picture soon? It's chaos in here.
Hey!
What?
That pile of paper moved.
Oh, Scabby, it's you. Good. You're just in time for the meeting. Now, where's Sooty? Just putting the last of the biscuits away. Good. We'll be here in a minute then. Right, I'll start. I expect you wonder why I've called you all here.
Why are you wearing that silly hat?
I'm wearing this silly hat suit because I've always fancied myself as a bit of a detective. But it's time now for me to use my incredible detective-like powers. There is, amongst us, a biscuit thief. And I reckon I know who he is. What's more, he's in this very room. I'll mention no names. Just follow the direction of my eyes.
Hey, champ, you had a good run. You are not winning this. You'll never be the racer you once were. This is my last chance. I'm coming for you, Storm.
Yeah. Oh, boy, I can be Ojo the firefighter. Yeah.
No, I'm not a firefighter.
Yeah, I'm a girl, so what? I can be a firefighter if I want to.
Yes, Trilo, it's okay. Ojo can be a firefighter, and the same is true for you. You can be whatever you want to.
Hey, Trino, let's play firefighters.
Oh, hey, I'm back from work. Yep, a nice bucket full of juicy berries. Don't they look delicious? Yep, I have enough in here for, berry pies, berry donuts, berry juice, berry everything.
I need to go.
Easy access, third row. The all-new 3-row Subaru Ascent.
My idea is this. If we help Rolly, maybe we'll get 2 Moly Munchies. 2 Moly Munchies? How can we help Rolly? We just have to do the washing up.
Henry.
Where's Henry?
Come and find me! Where am I? I'm in the garden. I'm under the stairs. I'm here. You can't find me.
The only places you'll find horrid Henry are on CITV and the CITV channel.
Well, being in prison for a year? How did it happen? Well, it's kind of a long story. But you're perfect. You can tell us in the car. The car? Where are we going?
This weekend's the Peach Festival.
You're kidding. I can't believe you got out when you did. A few more days and you would have been in the Mr. Peach Festival 2 years in a row. You're so lucky. So lucky. Well, at least I'll never run out of pickled peaches. What are you doing here? I'm not cut out for the Marines. Too hard.
Go to freeshoot.co.uk to pick up these skills and more. Hello Kitty and Hot Wheels are getting creative at McDonald's. Let's try a different colour. Maybe some new shoes. Or some new wheels. Now let's accessorise. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's not right. That's better. You can get creative too with Hello Kitty and Hot Wheels. Some fun, some food, it's all inside this Happy Meal. Introducing the new Twisted Spinner from Boomco. Check out the rotating barrel with awesome spinning action with all new Smart Stick darts stick to Boomco targets and shields, so you can use them yourself. Have a blast with Boomco Twisted Spinner. Twisted Spinner comes with darts and a Smart Stick target. I get extra dart packs and extra Smart Stick targets each tilt. Boom! Spidey's back with an all-new crew. Awesome!
Welcome to the Avengers, Spider-Man.
I'm the Scarlet Spider. Let's do it! Avengers Assemble! I always wanted to say that. Catch new Marvel's Ultimate Spider-Man Web Warriors this weekend on Disney XD.
How Sif helped Sleeping Beauty shine. Sleeping Beauty was rudely awakened. Her prince was arriving. Things were looking good, but the floor less so. She summoned new Sif Express floor cleaner. Applied directly from the bottle, the dirt disappeared quickly, and the beauty...
Hey, Pop.
Where have you been? Yeah, what happened to your woodland
I
workout?
was just on my way outside to see you guys.
Oh, sure, Bear. Yeah,
No, really. I was just about to go
Yeah, we went ahead and did the workout without you. We miss you.
What?
And we feel great.
But I'm ready to do the woodline workout now.
Nah, been there, done that. Yes, but Bear, why don't you work out with Cutter?
Well, Tutter's resting right now.
He is. Cutter, what's wrong?
Yeah, Pop, Tutter needs his rest now.
But Bear, don't you think you would feel better if you were running around, jumping and having fun?
Guys, when you're tired, the best thing you can do is to take some quiet time.
Yeah, but...
Hey, show me how you do it. Come on, please.
Sure, I'll show you in a while. It's easy.
Oh, thanks.
Can I flip a pancake, Grandma?
Me too. One at a time. Here you are, Whimsy.
Oh, great. 1, 2, 3, and up. Yeah, Whimsy.
Yeah.
Can I flip next, please?
Yes, okay.
Good. 1, 2.
Mom never has to tell these guys to finish their veggies. Nom, nom, nom. And because all those veggies can be hard on digestion, Nick and Molred's are also down to munch on. Are you ready for this? Their own food. Sometimes nature works in a TMI kind of way, and this is definitely one of them.
Whimsy does.
Dudes, can I offer you an after dinner meet? Their tunnels can be up to 2.5 miles long. That's like living in a house that's 6 football fields wide and 6... What's up, man? No, scram, huh?
To learn more about Sesame Street, visit us at pbskids.org.
Forrest is always so brave. He never gets scared. Right, Forrest? Well, I'll be in the kitchen.
Beach's all-inclusive family resort is a proud sponsor of Sesame Street. Together, we are helping children learn and share in new discoveries that inspire a brighter world.
McDonald's is happy to be a part of Sesame Street. They show me how much fun it is to move and be active.
Do you know what 3 o'clock means on Fox Kids?
I think it's time for...
A little fun. A little more fun. A little big fun. 3 o'clock is Clubhouse time. And time to catch Mel with some afternoon fun.
Oh, yeah.
We've got competitions.
Win that.
Mail from all you out there. And poems to jump out of your seat for from Matt Healy.
Brussels sprouts.
Get into the Clubhouse weekdays on Fox Kids.
There's a place alive with the magic of imagination and all the colours of the rainbow. There's a place where heart and mind always play together. This is big. Yes, indeed. There's a place to learn from, love about, and grow with. There's a place that's miles from every day, yet so close to home. There's a place where friends are funny, furry, and often four-legged. There's a very special place just waiting for you. It's called ABC for Kids, the best in children's entertainment to take home on video today.